Welcome to the ArchExperts User Settings dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the main navigation menu. Under User Settings, the following options are available. Profile. Edit your personal and professional details including your name, username, email, location, and more. Change password. Update your login password to maintain account security. Notification settings. Here you can configure how and when you receive notifications from the platform. Availability. Set your availability status for potential projects. In the Withdrawal Center, you can manage your payment withdrawal options and methods. Under Payment and Financials. Review and update your financial details, including payment methods and preferences. Account Security. Enhance your account security by setting up additional security measures. In Download My Data section, export a copy of all your personal data stored on the platform. Under Delete Account, permanently remove your account from the platform. Now let's explore the Profile section. At the top, you'll see a summary of your profile details. First name and last name, unique username. Email address, country, state, city, street, and house number. Postal code and profession. Under Spoken Languages, please select languages you can communicate in. Time zone. Please specify where you live. Add your phone number and WhatsApp number for easy contact. Below, please enter your usual hourly rate and your default currency for transactions on the platform. In the About Me section, please enter a brief description of your expertise and professional background to give your potential clients a first impression of your expertise and competence. Finally, if you are a company, please add your company name. District court your company is registered with, company address, registration number, and VAT ID. If you are located in the European Union, we recommend to validate your VAT number. In the Education subsection, you can update your academic qualifications, select your degree and specify the level of education, such as a master's degree. Select the country where you obtained your degree. And add the university or college or the institution from which you graduated. Add start year and end year of your study and click on the Update button. In the Work Experience section, you can start by entering your current job title, like architect, along with the company's name. Be sure to select the start year and check the box if you're currently employed in this role. You can also list any previous positions. Once you've completed this information, click the green Update button to save your changes. In the Certifications section, add relevant certifications by entering the certification name, date of issue, and expiration date. Include a URL for verification and upload the certification image if available. After entering all required information, click the green Update button to finalize. Moving on to the Fields of Expertise section, this is your chance to highlight your skills. Choose from categories like 3D printing, architectural visualization, sustainable design, or others. Below, enter subcategories and name the tools you are proficient in. Remember to click Update to confirm your selections. Under My Work, you can showcase your projects by entering key details such as project name, cost, location, and planned project area. Provide a description that highlights the unique aspects of your work. You can upload photos and videos to enrich your project presentation. Additionally, you can select specific photos to feature on your public profile listing page. Once everything is in place, click the green Submit button to confirm the project details. After approval by our team, you will be notified and given access to all functions such as placing bids for projects and participating in contests.